just so you can see, I'll bring this closer to show that I have a couple of queen cages on top with queens in them. I'm going to do the same process. The only difference is now I'm not even going to worry about looking for a queen. But there's queens inside of here. I can put both of them in this queenless colony. The bees will take care of them. One of them I put a piece of tape on so the bees don't start chewing on the candy. The other one's already got some of the candy chewed out, which will give them a head start. And I'll just leave it right on top. I'll show you how I'm going to do that. So basically the same process. Put all 5 frames in. Get a frame or 2 out to give myself plenty of working room. These other ones I can close up. And they'll start using the entrance. Now this one, same routine. One at a time. Food frames first from the outside. Next to the brood frame. They're always stuck together nice and snug with the propolis. Lots of brood. Lots of bees. A couple of big drones. Bring some of the good genetics that I have down south up to the hill country up here. Nice brood. This one actually has a couple of, I need to point this out. We made this split a couple of days ago, and they're trying to make a queen because they've been queenless for a few days. So they will begin to make a queen. These are queen cells. Basically they're like a swarm cell because down at the bottom of the frame, but in fact they're emergency cells. And so I'll remove these so that they don't attempt to continue to make a queen. If they think they have that situation under control, they may not accept the new queen. They may not feed them and take care of them if they don't think they need one. I'm going to eliminate the queens that they had started so they'll go back to taking care of the ones we're introducing. I'll check each brood frame. I'll double check this one now that I've seen they're working on making a queen. And voila! I found one here too, so I will remove this one. I'll check around, make sure there's not any more. Because again, and those may have been swarm cells. They're all at the bottom. They might have been swarm cells before we made the splits. My guys might have just not noticed these. They were probably really small a day or 2 ago. I'm guessing they weren't big enough to notice, and they've grown overnight since we put these in maybe 2 days ago. But the point is, I want to remove the queen cells because I'm introducing a new queen. And again, one by one, frame by frame. Check this one. This is mostly food, which is fine. In fact, I told them to let them have a little growing room, so they put another comb frame in here. So they got plenty of growing room. Again, I'm going to take the frame rest out, shake the bees, pump it down, call it good. Now I'll put these blank frames in, 2 on one side, I have 1 on the other. Again, my queens are here. I'll put the inner cover on, and one queen I'm going to put on the top, the other one, because I'm taking her out tomorrow for delivery, and the other one I can either put on the frame, which that's probably the easiest. I can take a rubber band and put it around one, but I'm just going to mash it into a brood frame. I want the queen cage pointing up and to the inside. Squeeze this right into the wax. So those of you that are new to installing queens, I'm just going to press it right into the wax. I'm allowing the bees plenty of room to get to the candy tube on top and the screen on the side so they can feed her and take care of her till she comes out. The wax will hold that. You could use a rubber band if your wax isn't soft enough. That's pretty much it. Installed. 15 minutes, we're done. Put my inner cover back on. Tomorrow I want this queen out, so I'm going to put her right here in the top. Tomorrow I can come and get her. And take her to my friend that's coming like the queen. That's that.